If you get pimples on a regular basis, you know how annoying it can be. Especially because they usually appear right when you have something important coming up, like a job interview or a date. Today's video will discuss how to use garlic for pimples. You can get busy with all kinds of creams that promise to dehydrate the pimple, or you could even try popping it. The result? Red skin with perhaps even a tiny wound. Luckily, we've got the solution. Next time you want to get rid of a pimple, grab some garlic. 1. Skin. So, there are plenty of health benefits to eating garlic, but there are even more benefits besides those. Garlic is especially beneficial to the skin. Back in the 18th century, soldiers rubbed garlic on their wounds to prevent infections. We don't recommend doing this now. We have modern medicine to do a better job, but it does prove that garlic can prevent or even heal infections and inflammations. This is exactly the kind of thing we need when it comes to pimples, because a pimple is nothing more than a small inflammation of the skin. 2. Pimple. Do you have a pimple, and are you now walking around with one of those ugly white things on your face? No need to panic, just grab a clove of garlic. First, you need to clean your face. Then, cut off the top of the clove of garlic and use your knife to slice a few notches, so the clove can release more of its juice. Rub this side of the clove onto the pimple. Leave the juice on the pimple so it can dry overnight. Because of the anti-inflammatory properties, the pimple will disappear. This also works for pimples that sit beneath the surface of your skin. You'll notice that after a night's rest, the pimple will be a lot flatter and less red. Small pimples will disappear completely. 3. Psoriasis. Because of its anti-inflammatory properties, garlic is also said to work against psoriasis. You can use the garlic just like we described before, or you can mix it with oil or cream. This can considerably reduce the itchiness and irritation. Test. Some people are allergic to garlic, so it's important to test out how your skin will react to it. First, test this method in an inconspicuous spot, like your wrist or your elbow. If you're allergic to garlic, or your skin reacts badly to it, you might do more damage than good if you apply it directly to a pimple. Are you going to give this a try? Let me know in our comment section below.